Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today I've got the Tri Max Handcuffs, which I haven't had for very long. If we have a look in there, we have a split shim, so we have a piece of metal in between the split shim. That's not right.
No.
It's a split pawl to stop you from shimming.
I was going to say it's splitting up the pawls. It's not very nice. It's the heartbreaker.
But this one works an odd way. So usually it's to try and stop you from shimming in there, but that moves up and down with the paws. So I started trying messing with it, trying different things. I pushed down on that piece of metal and realised that the paws go up and down with it. So we have that big track in the middle of the bow that Thompson are very proud of for some reason. But I just took a thin thing like that and shoved it into that track, shoved it all the way in to that piece of metal between the two poles and pushed it down, which pushes down both the poles.
Poor pawls. Why are you pushing them down?
Which means you can now shim out.
Ta-da!
Just by pushing the metal plate in between the poles through that nice big gap that they've opened up for you there.
Magic. Well, it's not really magic, but
No, it's taking advantage of a mechanical flaw.
but it's cool.
Yes, it is. So there's a new bypass trick on Thompson Tri Max Handcuffs. It's all from us. See you next time.
Bye!
Hang on. We did it.
I think you got a bit too excited.